Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number 21, you see here lecture number 21 and example number 20. And topic is exercise 2.2, question number 15. Okay. At first we read the questions. Look, you see the questions, page number 36, question number 15. Nilim is a service holder. Nilim is a service holder. His monthly basic pay is taka 22,250. The income tax of 2,50,000 taka of first slab of annual income is 0 taka. That means for 2,50,000 taka he has not to pay any tax for annual income. Okay? That means for 2,50,000 taka he has not to pay any tax for the annual income. Okay? Now you read the question. The rate of income tax of the next annual income slab is taka 10. That means the amount which is more than 2,50,000 taka, he has to pay as that amount, and the rate of income tax is 10 taka. Okay, that means in 100 taka rate of income tax is 10 taka. Okay. Dear student, this is the good point in this question. The rate of income tax of next annual income slab is taka 10. That means the amount which is more than 2,50,000 taka he has to pay as tax for that amount of taka. Okay. And the rate of income tax is 10 taka. That means in 100 taka he has to pay as tax 10 taka. Okay. Now you see how many taka does he has to pay as tax. Okay. I hope you understood the question. Now we will solve now. Look, right here we know 1 year equal to 12 months. Okay, for 1 month basic pay is taka 22,250 taka. Okay. Therefore, for 12 months basic pay is taka more. That means 22,250 into 12. Okay. Now you have to multiply this. Look, 22,250 into 12. Now multiply this. 0, 0, 1, 2 to the 4, 5, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, keep 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, okay. Now adding this, 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 2, 6 and 1, 7, 6. That means 2,67,000 taka. Right here, 2,67,000 taka. Okay. That means for 12 month basic pay is 2,67,000 taka. Okay. Now according to the question, he has not to pay for 2,50,000 taka. He has not to pay any tax. Okay. So he has to pay as tax right here. So he has to pay as tax at Taka what? Minus 2,50,000 taka. Okay, you see. Now subtract, then you get 0, 0, 0, and 7 minus 0. Okay, 6 minus 5 equal to 1. That means he has to pay as tax at Taka 17,000 Taka. Okay. Now the rate of income tax is 10 Taka. That means you write here in Taka 100 the rate of income tax is Taka 10. Therefore in Taka 1 the rate of income tax is less, that means by 100. Therefore in Taka 17,000 the rate of income tax is Taka more. That means multiplication 0. Divide, then you get 2 0 to the finish 1 0. Now multiply with this, then you get eto taka. Okay, that means how many taka does he has to pay as tax? Answer will be 1,700 taka. Okay, right here the answer 1,700 taka. Dear student, remember that in your book there is mistake the answer. There is written in your book 6,700 taka. 6,700 taka. Okay, this is written in your book, but this is mistake. Okay, this is mistake. So you correct it. Now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. Okay, you see our HW number 20, exercise 2.2, question number 15, page 36. Okay, dear student, this is your HW copy. Dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBI marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home and avoid by your parents. Stay safe, stay well, see you again.